Ignition. We have liftoff.
Sealsq shareholders, how are you doing? Sounds like you guys are going to space in a couple days. Transporter 15 mission. Looks like it's T-minus 1 day and 4 hours if I'm reading this correctly. We're going to get into that in a second. Now, Sealsq. Ticker symbol is SEAL spelled backwards. And it's been in the dumps the past month, down 35%. The CEO, Carlos, he needs to get this share price up, or otherwise the shareholders are going to send him to space. One-way ticket, no return. Now, Sealsq confirms 2025 revenue guidance and projects strong growth acceleration for 2026. We got to get into it. Now, Sealsq is out of Switzerland. I would love to visit the country one day, but I can't. The share price is down. Can't afford it. There's only a couple of things that I like about Switzerland. Swiss Army knives and Sealsq. Well, I do like Swiss chocolate. Now, Swiss watches, I can't afford that. Got to get the share price up. Come on, Carlos. Carlos, the CEO of Sealsq. Our 2025 guidance and expectations for significant growth for 2026 underscore the strength of our commercial strategy, technology roadmap, and market position. We're well positioned to capture growing demand for governments, enterprises, and critical industries for secure, quantum-ready infrastructure. Cash reserves surpass $430 million. Sealsq is accelerating initiatives across the semiconductor, cybersecurity, and satellite IoT markets, positioning the company to capture increasing demand for post-quantum security infrastructure for governments, enterprises, and critical industry partners worldwide. They are going into the next phase of growth. What I see here, institutional ownership, 81 total different firms, 81 institutional owners and shareholders that have filed 13D, G, or 13F forms with the SEC. Here's the file date, 11/14. Big share increases, big share percentage increases from Citadel Advisors, Susquehanna, Morgan Stanley's involved, National Bank of Canada. It's good to see the institutional ownership coming through. And the CEO, Carlos, he says, if weather permits, on November 14th, we'll be sending YSAT 3.0 to space, equipped with the new Sealsq Corp post-quantum security capabilities. The satellite will also be testing the Sealcoin.ai crypto token machine-to-machine payments from space to Earth antennas and devices, making it the first ever crypto token exchange executed from space. The Sealcoin AI token is also nearing readiness for public release and will be announced separately by WiseKey. This marks a historic moment where space, post-quantum technology, semiconductors, tokens, and cybersecurity come together in a concrete milestone. Thank you to the entire team for achieving this remarkable step forward. And there's a link to the flight. And what I can see here, it looks like it's going to be on November 20th, though I think it got pushed back a day. I'll put the link in the description if you want to watch it. And the team was celebrating last week. They inaugurated the Grenoble node of the Sealsq Quantum Corridor, advancing quantum sovereignty across Europe. They marked a major milestone in the establishment of a transnational innovation infrastructure interconnecting quantum computing, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and semiconductor ecosystems across Spain, France, Switzerland, and the United States. And that's designed to form a secure innovation backbone connecting leading European and transatlantic deep tech hubs. Its mission is to foster technological sovereignty and accelerate the convergence of post-quantum cryptography, semiconductor engineering, and quantum-enabled computing. And the Sealsq team has been hitting the road hard. They're returning to the United States with multiple strategic launches. They talked about their successful roadshow in October. They're going to start off in California. They'll meet key partners ahead of the official launch of YSAT, Space Post-Quantum Satellite, on November 19th. I believe it's the 20th now, due to weather. And then they're off to Las Vegas. They'll unveil the Sealsq QS7001, their next-generation post-quantum ready security product. They'll be unveiling at the F1 Las Vegas Grand Prix, an official launch at Davos 2026. More details about their partnerships and upcoming launches will be announced soon. Now, quantum computers are set to disrupt current security systems, including RSA, threatening sectors from banking, defense, healthcare. Any system deployed or data encrypted today will be exposed within 3 to 10 years. The U.S. government is acting swiftly under the NSA's CNSA Suite 2.0. All new national security systems must adopt quantum-resistant solutions by 2027, with the full transition of national security-grade cryptography targeted by 2035. Sealsq is increasingly approached by U.S. companies, and it believes itself to be uniquely positioned to meet this demand, offering certified hardware, cryptographic expertise, and semiconductor capabilities to help U.S. companies achieve compliance with emerging quantum security standards. Back to the financials. Remember, 2025 revenue confirmed $17 to $20 million, 59 to 82% year-over-year increase. Record cash position, $430 million. Commercial pipeline, $175 million. Strong growth expected in 2026. They're saying 50% to 100% growth. The major catalysts are launch of PQC chips and YSAT 3.0, the go live of the U.S. post-quantum roof of trust, full integration of IC Alps, and acceleration of Quantix Edge. And more news from Sealsq. They're going to be protecting eSIMs. They have an embedded universal integrated circuit card, and they're deploying that with telecommunication operators worldwide. It's enhanced with post-quantum cryptographic security, marking a major milestone for secure, mobile, and Internet of Things connectivity. IoT devices and connected infrastructure gain future-proof protection against both today's cyber risks and emerging threats posed by quantum computing. They talk about eSIM adoption and the rapid increase in its use. Talk about mobile phones. They're still dependent on traditional cryptographic algorithms like RSA and ECC, and they're very vulnerable to future quantum attacks. Sealsq's post-quantum ready EU ICC provides robust quantum-resistant encryption that protects communications, financial transactions, authentication processes, and user privacy at scale. Are you a shareholder of Sealsq? Maybe you sold off after the 35% drop over the past month. Or maybe you're going to be interested in buying shares like me. I'm getting very interested at these levels. Let me know where you stand with Sealsq. Let me know your thoughts on Sealsq. Let's get ready for this space launch in a couple days. I'll see you on the other side of the moon. Take care. Bye.